What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that's taking too long to install apps. So first of all, make sure you have a fast internet connection. So to check, open a server and then check if it's loading the website fast or not. So if it's not working, then fix your internet connection, and after that open settings, scroll down and click on device care, and then click on app protection. Now click on this three dot more icon and then click on app protection settings. Now from here, turn off auto scan when installing apps, so it will reduce the installation time, and you can also turn off auto scan apps daily. So turning off these features will install apps fast. So that's how you can fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that's taking too long to install apps. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.